Here we go, 2017 Panini Absolute Football Triple Box Break number 1. First thing we're going to do is randomize the list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers. Oops, another way. There we go. Frankie Flush at spot number 1. All the way down to GS Knucklehead in spot 32. Randomize this list. Three times. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quick. Go. To the teams, all 32 teams are on here in alphabetical order, starting with the Arizona Cardinals. All the way down to the Washington Redskins. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. After that quick. Just going to copy paste those lists in my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. One moment. All right, Baker's got Oakland, Gerald Smith, Buffalo, Emma Bell, Los Angeles Chargers, DW604, Houston and Kansas City, Emma Bell, Carolina, Martin, Atlanta, Calvin, Jacksonville, TM Leafs, Baltimore, Baker, New York Giants, Emma Bell, Seattle, Baker, New Orleans, Baker, Denver, Frankie Flush, Indianapolis, TC Pugh, New England, Gerald Smith, Dallas, and Cleveland, Big Dibby, Cincinnati, TM Leafs, Minnesota, Grubbs, Tennessee, Spider Fisher, LA Rams, CBJ 1989, Washington, GS Knucklehead, Green Bay, Emma Bell, Arizona, Baker, Chicago, Emma Bell, Miami, Gerald Smith, Pittsburgh, Chris, Tampa Bay, Baker, San Francisco, Calvin, New York Jets, Baker, Detroit, and GS Knucklehead, Philadelphia. There we go. What's up, Keith? What's up, Rob? And only one person is in the break that's in the room. So we'll get started. Excuse me, I'm a little bit under the weather, so my voice is a little bit raspy. Box number 1. Good luck. 3 mini boxes per master box. Yeah, I was just sick. Like, extremely sick. 1 pack per mini box. I'm still not recovered yet. I just didn't want to say I was sick in the email, because then people will be calling me a wuss and whatnot. Like Brian. Oh wait, put this in these plastic things like this. Weird. Super Reporter. Oh, just some kind of promo junk. Yeah, that's the thing. When it goes from hot to cold and hot again, messes with you. All right, so first up, this one's going to go to New England. This is Brandon Cooks. It's base for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Ben Roethlisberger. And we will ship out these base cards. Unsung Heroes, Damon Harrison. Going to New York Giants. Rookie Reflex, Auto, 125 of 325. So go to the Cleveland Browns. David Yoku. And Rookie Force Jersey, 100 of 175 for Kansas City. Patrick Mahomes 2. I don't like these clear plastic packs that you use for these. Got a rookie, 343 of 499. Let's go to Atlanta, Brian Hill. Got a rookie, Premier, 154 of 199. Can't see his name. Juju Smith-Schuster. Going to Pittsburgh. I'm saying that right. Printing plate for Atlanta, TJ Loken. Sorry, not Atlanta. Arizona, my bad. Arizona Cardinals. And Absolute Ink, 4 of 99. So go to the Vikings, Adam Thielen. And a base for the New York Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. All right, rookie, 104 of 499 for San Francisco, George Kittle. Yeah, it's nice, some nice looking stuff. Rookie Premier, 2 of 5. Going to Pittsburgh, Juju Smith-Schuster. Two of his in one box. Excuse me if I'm mispronouncing names. I do not watch football. Parallel 46 of 100. Let's go to the Titans. Marcus Mariota. Tools of the trade, 62.99. Let's go to the Raiders. DeAndre Washington. And a base for Kansas City, Tyreek Hill. Box 2. Promo junk. All right, parallel 24/499. So go to Indianapolis. Johnny Unitas. Absolute Ink for Tennessee 21/22. Derrick Henry. Rookie Force 13/25 for the LA Rams. Cooper Kupp. You have base for New England, Rob Gronkowski. And a base for Philadelphia, Ashton Jeffrey. This chunk. Alright, what is this? Hurdles. This will go to Philadelphia, Ryan Matthews. Nice looking card. Rookie Reflex Auto 119/325. Let's go to the New York Jets, Chad Hansen. Historical Duels 20/49. So go to the Rams, Eric Dickerson and Jerome Bettis. Base for the Colts, Andrew Luck. And a base for the Panthers, Julius Peppers. Carolina Panthers. Really? Yeah, I watch a little bit of CFL, but I don't watch NFL. Rookie 4/499. So go to Washington, Jonathan Allen. Rookie Premier 214/299 for the LA Rams, Cooper Kupp. Parallel 9/100 for Denver, John Elway. Base for San Francisco, Brian Hoyer. And another base for San Francisco, Pierre Garcon. And last box. Good luck, everybody. Junk. Rookie Roundup. So go to Pittsburgh, James Conner. Nice looking card. Absolute Inc. 11 of 12. Let's go to the Chargers, Travis Benjamin. Tools of the Trade, 49 of 49 for Denver, Paxton Lynch. Base for Denver, Demaryius Thomas. And base for the Rams, Jared Goff. Plastic things are the worst. Why they don't put them in real packs? Junk. Parallel 198 to 499. Lawrence Taylor goes to the New York Giants. Marks of Fame 18 to 49. So go to the Steelers. Rod Woodson. Groundhogs 1 of 25. So go to Atlanta. Evan Coleman. Groundhogs, I like it. Base. Let's go to Jacksonville. Blake Bortles. And a base for Green Bay, Aaron Rodgers. And last pack. Rookie 278 to 499. Let's go to Washington, Robert Davis. Rookie Premier 94.99. Let's go to the New York Giants, Wayne Gallman. Parallel 55 of 100 for Miami, Jarvis Landry. Base for Atlanta, Julio Jones. Or Julio? I'm not sure. And finish this off with a base for the New York Giants, Brandon Marshall. And there we go. Absolute Football. Triple box break. #1 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.